we will learn about Zoom's next feature, schedule meeting. So first we will open Zoom and now we will press schedule. And over here you can change the name of your meeting. I will change the name here. Schedule meeting means when you want to plan a meeting at some other day and other time, then you will choose the option of schedule meeting. So now I want to schedule my drum class meeting for tomorrow. I will click on the date and today is 14 September. I want to set it for 15 September. So I will press plus. Appears 15 September 2020 and then I will press set. Now I will press form. It means at what time do you want to start the meeting? I want to start at 12 o'clock. I will do the same. Write the time and set it. You will see something like this on the screen, which means that your meeting is free for 40 minutes. The meeting after that will automatically get over. So I have set it for 1 o'clock. Then I will press set. So now this will come again, which means you can only set the meeting for 40 minutes. When your meeting gets over, you can set another meeting for 40 minutes. Next is time zone. I want to search for India's time zone, so I will search. I have found India's time zone here. It says Mumbai, Kolkata, New Delhi. I will press on it. My India time zone is set. Next option is repeat. You can choose here if you want the meeting every day or every week. You can read and choose what you want. Next option is personal meeting ID. I have told you about this. If you want to use this, then press it. So now I have started my personal meeting ID. So you will see that this password has come, and when I close it, then I can press on the password and I will be able to change my password. I have changed my password. Now I want to put 1 2 3 4 8. You can change the password and use a simple one when you're not using personal meeting ID. And now this require meeting passcode cannot be shut. This is compulsory for every meeting so that nobody can enter your Zoom meeting from the ID only. They will always need a password. Now let's see what is enable waiting room. When a participant comes, then should he enter directly or should he wait in the waiting room until you allow him? If you don't want this option, you can always turn it off. This will allow everybody to enter the Zoom directly. Next is host video on, which means your video on. And the one below is participants video on, means the participants video. So I will put this on so both the videos will be on. Next is advanced option. When you click on it, you will see 2 more options. Before you, any participant who joins the meeting will come in the room. And the other one says automatic record meeting. Means when you start the meeting, then it will start recording automatically. I don't want to put this on, so I will not do it. You can leave add to calendar on. When you are done setting all of this, then you will press done above. You had left the calendar on. That's why this window came. I will press allow so I can move ahead. So now this is going to take you to your email address to send the invite of your scheduled Zoom meeting. You can write the email address here whom you want to invite. And if that person doesn't have an email address, then you can copy it and paste it. And this will come. You will pull this blue button till the bottom. You will see mat cut copy paste. You will select copy. And then wherever you want to send it, in WhatsApp, you will click there, long press on the message and paste it. And this will come. Then you can send it. So see, my Zoom invite has been sent on WhatsApp. If you are unable to copy and paste, then you can write the meeting ID and password on the chat. And see this, when I open Zoom, my meeting details appear. What time it is and what topic it is. What is the meeting ID and the duration. And what is the passcode. When you want to start the meeting, you will press start. When you are done scheduling the meeting and you want to see where it is, you will press the meetings button, and this is where you will see the topic and the meeting schedule. You can also click start over here. This is how you can use the feature of schedule meeting. Thank you.